For lesson number 8 today is going to be proper weight and foot placement. So you want to be able to draw characters that when they're standing on the ground, they look like they're weighted on the ground and not necessarily floating or feet uneven and stuff like that. So this is what I'll display in this lesson today. Let's get started. So when we have a character and we want to show that there's weight, that they're not kind of floating off the ground, and proper heel placement. So if I do here's a little fox cartoon character, this right, so we want to make sure the heels are down. Right. So for like a back 3/4, you just want to make sure that the feet are placed firmly on the ground, right? From a front, that will create balance too, right? We want the characters to be balanced. You can have that one a bit more relaxed. So there's a little pattern, right? So if the character is a good character to draw, because they are is rodents, because they actually have shorter legs, so you can actually draw their bodies to pose with weight, right? So this is his little arms. They sit on their feet, right? So to that heavyweight line there, like so. Looking at posing online, or people walking or playing sports or whatever, right? You'll see all that. The whole point is that when the character is walking, oops. It's a goofy leg. Characters walking. Right. You want to be able to draw a line from the top of his head to the ground, just so he's not tilting too far this way or tilting too far that. Unless he's leaning because he's pulling something or pushing something, the dynamic's going to change, right? But yeah, make sure characters, when they're posed, they're planted firmly on the ground, like so. right? So that's why woodland creatures are the easiest. All right, that's foot placement. We'll go on to the next lesson.